So yeah, when it starts up, it does the bounce idle between about 1500 RPMs to about 2500. And then I barely touch the throttle and it goes up and it starts idle like 3 grand. And then as soon as I rev it up, it drops back down. So I don't know, the engine seems to get hot. I don't think the thermostat's opening maybe. You know, like I said, I don't know if all the vacuum lines are correct. I don't know if the ECU, I got 2 wires that could be wrong. The plus B1 and negative B1, I think it is. The pin 1 and 9 on the 16 pin could be crossed. But yeah, that's about it. I don't know what could be. I just tried swapping over the check valve on the map sensor, no change. If I unplug the map sensor line from the intake manifold, it seems to change the idle a bit. There's some stuff I did cap off on, like the boost controller side of the VSV vacuum switching valve. The boost controller one that's blue, I capped off one because I didn't know where that went, and then the other one where let's see, it's hard to see, I gotta get some light, but all my VSVs are down here. Yeah, I'll have to get some more light. Anyways, stay tuned for more.